The Extreme Answer Elimination Trick. If you're stuck on an SAT reading question, use this shortcut first. Cross out the most extreme answer choices. Watch for words like always, never, only, every, or none. On the SAT, those words are often too absolute to be right. The same goes for words like must, impossible, certainly, completely, or totally. Extreme language should make you pause. Let's try it. Imagine the passage suggests the author supports some school uniform policies in certain cases. Now look at these choices. A says uniforms always improve learning. B says they can help create focus in some schools. C says uniforms never affect student behavior. D says schools must require them everywhere. A, C, and D all use extreme language, so cross them out first. That leaves B, which is more nuanced and much more likely to match the passage. On SAT reading, nuanced answers usually win. When you're stuck, eliminate the extremes first.